So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a photo look like a cartoon here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I'm going to go ahead here and just select a photo that I might want to turn into a cartoon per se. So how about this dog and this cat right here? Now, if you wanted to make this a cartoon, for example, if you press on the photo right here, there's a bunch of different things that you can do. So you can go to the top here under image style, you can kind of change that. But where it says edit photo right here, you can actually use a bunch of different options. So under AI tools, there is this one that says photo cartooner, cartoonizer. So if you want to go ahead and select this one for an example, you can sign up and you can actually turn this photo that's obviously a real life cat and dog into a potential cartoon with the help of AI. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make a photo look like a cartoon on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.